Hello, Vettsy babes! The very first letter of autumn is here, and we're taking you straight to the streets of Seoul. Whether you're in the mood for subtle Korean-style elegance or cozy seasonal nail art, this September box has everything you need. Curious about what surprises are waiting for you inside? Let's unbox together. 2 magnetic shades for instant velvet vibes. A jelly gel and a pearl ink gel. A smooth base coat for every nail adventure. 2-in-1 pigment for cat eye and mirror magic. Ultra-thin metallic foils bring party to your nails. Spooky cute charms for playful Halloween nails. Glowing butterflies illuminating manicures in the dark. A little crystal sparkle goes a long way. Edgy metallic hardware bringing cool, rebellious energy. Bring bold dimension with edgy metal details. Cute kitties meet wild leopard energy. Chunky sparkle for bold, playful nail moments. Colorful beads providing 3D texture and lively pops. Professional double-sided tool perfecting your prep. A super cute iridescent pouch filled with a complete set of colorful precision detail brushes. Fierce tips for your boldest nail creations. 4 sticker sheets, endless easy nail designs. Adorable display palette presenting finished nail designs beautifully. A sparkly little star for your everyday bag. A little Korean charm to brighten up your fridge. Vettsy couldn't wait to play with this box. We created a few cozy autumn nail looks to inspire your next manicure set. Set 1. Ruby Spell. Start by applying a layer of crimson cat eye gel. Wave the magnet tool around the edges to pull those magnetic shimmers into a velvety, multi-dimensional sheen. Then cure. Place a vintage sticker and press it flat with a silicone tool. Seal the whole look with top coat, then cure one last time. Set 2. Amber Dream. Sweep on a sheer amber gel for the base and cure. Next, dab a bit of yellow pearl nail art ink and jelly gel to blend softly. Then layer some gold foil and fine glitters to add an effortless, shimmered texture. Top it off with an intricate butterfly charm. Finally, seal with top coat to set everything in place. Set 3. Autumn Ember. Start with a thin, clear gel, then carefully place reddish-brown and gold foil flakes across the nail using tweezers. Dab red cat eye gel, then softly diffuse the edges with a flat brush to let the foil peek through. Pull the cat eye magnetic shimmer, seal with a shiny top coat, and cure. Set 4. Velvet Galaxy. Apply crimson cat eye gel, push the magnetic glitter away for a jelly red base, and cure. Then buff the red cat eye pigment all over for a metallic mirror finish. Place some black star charms and micro caviar beads. Lock everything in with top coat and cure. Love these nail ideas? Get ready to unlock your autumn nail magic. The Vettsy September box is live. Get yours today before it sells out.